girl's best friend. Dumb to a girl's best friend. Something good at me, I ain't afraid to catch a case. BBS is on me and I flip it out the face. Dumb to a girl's best friend. Dumb to a girl's best friend. I don't need you, I got figured out big yes. I don't need you, all my diamonds dripping wet.
I'm a super shero. Don't try me. Bad like a villain, I pop it and then I reload.
Is everything going the way you want it with the show?
The show.
Oh, stupid pet tricks.
Incredible. Wow.
Sarah Silverman hosts Stupid Pet Tricks. Premieres February 11th on TBS.
We are not giving up.
Nothing's impossible.
You just begin.
Here we go.
These are the faces.
Let's go, let's go.
Face the reality.
We'll have to bring it every single night.
Face the opponent.
With a hand in his face.
And become the face of the game.
They gon' feel me. Game faces are on.
Let's go.
Friday nights on TBS.
This is not just movie night. It's a vibe.
With new hosts Kevin Fredericks and Nina Parker.
That's how I walk after I find a good parking spot.
All new Friday Night Vibes, starting Friday at 8 on TBS.